Hey, welcome back to Chef Jill Does That. I'm Chef Jill. If you click subscribe below, you'll get to know when all the new videos drop, and it's usually once a week. That way you won't miss anything. Whenever you're ready to start a new diet or exercise routine, make sure you check with your doctor. Even though it's trendy, gluten-free diets have been a thing for a long time, especially people with celiac and Crohn's disease have to be really careful about what they eat. This particular dinner is great if you're entertaining one of those folks, or if you're just looking for a single pan weeknight dinner that's easy to do. Before we start cooking, let me show you the ingredients and equipment you need. The ingredients you need for this Milanese style shrimp risotto and Gremolata is the zest and juice of a lemon, a 1/4 cup of finely minced fresh parsley, 2 garlic cloves minced up, a pinch of sea salt and black pepper, and 1/2 pound of cooked large shrimp. Make sure they're peeled and deveined. For the risotto itself, you'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 shallots or 1 small sweet onion grated fine, a carrot peeled and shredded fine, 1 bay leaf, a 1.5 cups of arborio rice, 5 to 6 cups of seafood, chicken, or vegetable stock. I'm using chicken today. 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, and a little sea salt and black pepper for flavor. To make this risotto, you'll need this equipment: a high-sided frying pan or pot, a saucepan with a lid, a citrus zester, mixing bowl and spoon, spatula, and measuring cups. All right, and there you go. There's another recipe from Chef Jill Sienna. Comments and questions are perfect down below, and in the description, there's a link to the website, chefjilldoesthat.com, where you can see a solid recipe. Chef Jill does that, and so can you.